And good morning, good timers. As you can see out the window here, this is our view from our hotel room here in Rome. Not much of a view, but we'll get out on the streets here shortly and start seeing some of the sights. Looks like we actually do have a nice little church over in this area. And we passed by a church when we were walking to here last night as well from the train station. So there are a few things in the area to explore. Downstairs tells me we're actually only about a 10-minute walk from the Colosseum, so we may try heading in that direction today just to see the outside of it. We're planning on going inside of it later in the week during one of our tours. We did end up postponing the tour today and rescheduling for Saturday simply because of the last 24 hours. Simone, thankfully, is starting to slowly recover here, so we're not going to do a whole lot today. We're probably going to stick around in the area of our hotel, but that way, if anything does happen, we can come back here pretty quickly. But anyway, we're going to get moving here shortly. I was noticing these cool cars. They're all like little mini cars here, which is kind of funny to see. My car at home is actually kind of a mini car as well, but these ones are even smaller, especially this like little white one right here, so that's kind of cool. But yeah, don't want to stand naked in front of this window because people from the street have a really good view of us, which Simone will yell at me about if she comes out of the shower here in a few minutes. But for right now, we're just getting ready, and then we're going to figure out what we'll do today. So we'll take you along on whatever it is. Alright guys, the coffee bar here at the hotel. The usual Lavazza Italian coffee products.
First day I won't be having one.
First day that Simone is not going to be partaking. What? Maybe tonight she might, but... So the hotel little coffee bar there is pretty good. I was telling Simone that I was noticing that the sandwiches in Italy, probably all of Europe actually, are a lot simpler than in the United States. You know, in the United States you need chipotle this or pesto that, or, you know, 5 different kinds of barbecue sauces on a simple sandwich. Here you literally just get ham and cheese when it says ham and cheese. And it's actually good because you can actually taste what you want to taste, which is the fresh mozzarella and the prosciutto. And it was very good. Yeah, and the bread is far superior to anything you'll find in the United States. So,
are you bashing Subway, Andy?
Yeah, I am bashing Subway, absolutely. And Jimmy John's or whatever the hell else, Jersey Mike's, all those places. But anyway, we are going to go explore around the hotel right now and see what we can see. Alright guys, so we had a nice tour there at the church earlier. That was unexpected. We were just going there to take some pictures and saw that people were walking inside and walked in, and they told us it was free pretty much to look at the church itself, but if you want to go to the top of it, then you did have to pay a little bit of extra money, but it wasn't anything extravagant. I think it was $9. So yeah, and then they gave us a nice little tour up top. Great view of most of Rome, so that was awesome. Definitely unexpected find there, so that was cool. Watch out for that sidewalk there. Sidewalks are a little brutal here in some of these spots. So now we're just exploring a few other things that we noticed from the hotel room, and then we're going to dinner at a place that's right near the hotel as well. So we'll see if that's any good. Hopefully it will be, and hopefully it settles well.
Yes.
Yes. Hopefully. So this is what we were coming to see right here. Yeah, it's definitely closed right now. Yeah, but it is pretty cool. Kind of eerie looking right now, actually.
It's actually only open really early.
Yeah.
9 to 11.
So 9 to 11 in the morning. So that might be an option for tomorrow, because we have nothing planned for tomorrow yet either. So
Basilica Santa something.
maybe we'll come take a look at this tomorrow. Learned quickly, guys, that there's a couple ways to die here in Rome. Tripping on the sidewalk.
Fun.
And getting hit by either somebody on a motorcycle or a really small car, because even though there's crosswalks here, they don't actually stop for them. So you might as well just cross in the middle of the street.
And run.
And run.
Run fast.
Because yeah, there's been a couple close calls. Definitely. So just word to the wise. And I need to start paying attention to Google. Just tell them to go that way. Maybe. The sky is creepy tonight. We're getting there, we think. All right, guys, and we have arrived at Pasta Urbana. Very high reviews on Yelp, so we're gonna give it a try. Alright guys, Pasta Urbana. Very, very good. And ironically enough, we didn't actually have any pasta.
We didn't.
We thought of that after we actually ordered. I'm like, wait, we didn't actually have any pasta. But that being said, my pork saltimbocca was absolutely amazing. Nice, very, very thin slices of pork, but very, very good as well. I actually kind of like the portion sizes here in Italy. They're not too huge and obnoxious like America, so that pork was just enough for me. The potatoes on the side were excellent as well. Roasted, then fried, and then seasoned with just a little bit of herbs. So very, very good. And we also had an artichoke to start off with, and that was amazing as well. Something very loud is happening.
I think it's a helicopter.
A helicopter is flying over. But anyway, artichoke, deep fried, very simple, very delicious. And Simone had a chicken wrap that had cheese in it that I can't remember the name of, and also some roasted potatoes. And what'd you think, Simone?
Is scarmuccio a cheese?
Scarmuccio? I don't know.
Something like that.
Something like that. Scarmuzzi, I don't know.
A simple, just the chicken, potatoes, and a little bit of cheese.
Simple and delicious.
Yes,
there we go.
Light, which is what I needed.
Yep. So, very good reviews here for Pasta Urbana. We definitely enjoyed it. I think we're going to go search out some gelato here for dessert. All right, guys, and there's some bright neon for you, just like Vegas. But right across from our hotel, which is right there. So we are going to be trying out some gelato, or at least I am. Had the gelato in Venice, and that was excellent. Now we're going to have some gelato here in Rome. All right, good timers. It is about midnight now here in Rome.
Really?
No, it's like 8:30 at night.
Okay.
But Simone is tired. She's had a long 32 hours or so. So we are calling it a night. It was a great way to end the day today with a nice cold gelato on a cold night.
It was a cold gelato.
But it was a really good gelato. It
Yes.
was excellent. And the meal before that was great as well. The church that we did see today was really cool, so I am glad we did that at least. And tomorrow, hopefully, everybody is back to normal.
Yeah.
We're definitely getting there,
Yes.
so that's good. And our plan tomorrow is just to go out into the city and explore. So we're going to hopefully start near the Colosseum area, maybe see the Roman Forum, and all kinds of other artifacts and ancient areas. So that's the plan. Go get lost in Rome, just like we did in Venice. So tomorrow night we do have a food tour, so hopefully we'll be feeling better by then, so we can enjoy that. And yeah, that's it. Come along on the next adventure tomorrow, guys. Hopefully it's a little bit more exciting than today. But yeah, appreciate you joining us on this one. Till next time.
Have a good time.
Have a good time. Good night.
I pull into your driveway, it's a Saturday night. You look like $1,000,000 wearing that dress I like. You're smiling, but there's something missing in your eyes. Girl, I can tell that you have something on your mind. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you, wanna see you smile? Where's that happy girl that I know with a heart on fire? I'll do anything to make it fine, but I can tell that you have something on your mind right now. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. We are all about the good vibes. We are all about the good times. Dance until it feels alright, all night. We're all about the good vibes, all about the good vibes. I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for